Fast food is what was on my resume before here. I was afraid I wasn't going to get a job until graduation, and then I was thinking, well, what's going to happen if I can't find a job? You know, I don't have any of the experience. Without the experience, you know, they really rely heavily on the education. But if you've got the education and the experience, it helps you out so much more, which is why I'm so happy to be here. I spend 16 hours in the classroom and 30 hours a week here. It prepares you for real life. Life is not always going to be in a classroom setting where everything is easy and, you know, fun, and it's so much better to actually apply what you're learning. We do so much stuff here. We break down things, do PMs on the machines, preventative maintenance, planned maintenance. Any big project, I go out with a skilled technician and we tackle that project together. Now I have a better understanding of how things work, and when I go on to graduate, if I make Topre my permanent job, or if I feel like I should move somewhere else, then I have that knowledge of not only the book work of how things work, the theory, but the hands-on of how something works and how it's taken care of and how it operates.